7 steps to build wealth from zero. Most people want to build wealth that will allow them to live comfortably for the long term. But the truth is that this can be overwhelming at first because many don't know where to start. The good news? There are simple steps you can take to start building your wealth. But be careful, because while these steps may seem simple, they can sometimes be difficult to execute. The important thing to remember is that to build wealth over time, you need to be consistent and disciplined. That's why, in this video, we'll show you what you need to do to start building your wealth from zero. Number 1, make a spending plan. First, you must have a plan for managing your money. If you don't have a plan, you will find it difficult to manage your money profitably, as you won't know where your money is coming from and where it is going. To avoid this, take a step back and start planning your finances. You can do this by writing down your current income and expenses in a diary or on your computer. Remember also that when planning your finances, you should write down the amount of money you will set aside for additional expenses. If you want to build wealth, you should know that wealthy people have financial plans and know how to grow their money over time. Therefore, you should consider your financial goals and create a spending plan to help you develop your financial strategy. Number 2, invest. Investing time and money to grow your wealth is essential because realistically, it takes more than having a savings account to earn more money. Investing is, therefore, an excellent way to accumulate significant wealth over time. That said, it is essential not to neglect taxable investment opportunities when investing, because if they are tax advantaged, they will provide a higher return on your invested money, which could make a significant difference in the long run. Certainly, investing in stocks, real estate, and other assets can help you accumulate wealth more quickly than if you simply save. Number 3, spend wisely. Spending wisely doesn't mean you have to hoard all your money and not spend it, or never have fun until it's too late. But learning to spend your money on the things that are important to you is part of building wealth. Spending plans should be based on your priorities and values, including holidays, college savings, charitable donations, etc. in your spending budget is essential. Be prudent with your money and don't buy a big TV if you know you won't use it or it will work against you. On the other hand, if you don't need a huge house to live in, keep your mortgage affordable. The truth is, there's no right answer to how much you should spend since you're the only one who has the power to decide what matters most to you. Still, you'll be surprised how quickly you can build wealth if you stop spending on unimportant things. Number 4, make more money. We tend to focus too much on cost cutting when we think about wealth creation and savings. Sometimes you need more money, and to create wealth, you need to focus on more than just cutting costs. Instead, look for more ways to earn money. You can get promotions and pay raises if you work for a company. Or if you need to be compensated more, look for a better paying job. You can also start your own business to earn more money because you never know when a business can become a profitable source of income. Either way, you can invest the money you earn from your salary or business and start building wealth in the future. Number 5, take out insurance to protect your assets. Don't forget to protect your assets with adequate insurance. The idea of spending money to protect your assets may not sound very exciting, but it is necessary. Good health insurance, for example, can help you avoid draining your savings by paying for an expensive hospital stay, while home insurance protects you against unforeseen events such as fire or theft. Imagine how much it would cost to replace your car with a new one, or what you would do if you needed money to support your family if you lost your job. Basically, the right insurance will reduce your financial risk and allow you to build wealth with the money you would otherwise have used to compensate for the emergencies, as mentioned earlier. Number 6, pay off high-interest debts. Loans with high interest rates are not in your best interest. If you have high-interest debt, you will divert your financial resources from things that can help you build wealth, as you will be paying interest to keep the debt under control. Some types of low-interest tax-deductible debt can be beneficial to you, but high-interest debt rarely serves a useful purpose. Therefore, get rid of high-interest loans as soon as possible so you can start building your wealth. Number 7, create an emergency fund. Planning for emergencies is an excellent way to prepare for the unexpected without resorting to debt. Federal Reserve statistics, for example, show that nearly half of Americans can't handle a $400 emergency without borrowing. But you don't have to be part of those statistics. The decision on how to structure your emergency fund is entirely up to you. For those who are more comfortable with risk, it makes sense to put some of the money in high-yield savings accounts and keep the rest in investment accounts. This way, you can grow your emergency fund more quickly. Consider what you can handle and what is best for your financial situation. In any case, the goal is to have a reserve of money available in case you need it. Make sure you know where your money is going and avoid high-interest debt. Also, have a rainy day fund. Increase your income, invest in your assets, and take out insurance to protect yourself against catastrophic losses. And remember, while each of these concepts is relatively straightforward, it does not mean they are easy to implement. But you will start to see an increase in your wealth once your systems are in place and maintained. Now tell us, which of these tips did you find most useful? Write to us in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe to see more content like this. Take care and see you next time.